Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know and learn what is ChatGPT. Yes, this is a word is a very trending word nowadays in the IT and IT relevant industries. So this is a great artificial intelligence open AI tool to making you master in any of your required skill. Let's see now. Go to Google and simply hit ChatGPT and let's see the first link, openai.com. There's the blog and ChatGPT link is following here. It's a optimizing language model for dialogue for creating a required conversational way. How you will ask your friend to a question, or your instructor, or your super senior, or forums. Yes, more accurately, this is giving you such a information at single place. The capability of ChatGPT is giving you in a vast information for developers as well. As we understand, yes, this will help greatly who are start learning the things which help of this tool adding to their career as a part of collecting an information. So the ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI November 2022. It's built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family. The language model and fine-tuned. If any errors or corrections, yes, it's a fine-tuned. And the both supervised and reinforcement of learning techniques are added, which neural networks are collecting an information various vast resource libraries, and it's giving you a ready-made information which is a no copyright. So using this ChatGPT, you just explore it. With this course, we are going to train you much better you to master in your Python skills in very less time. This skills and this course will help you to make you master in a few hours only. So let's see here by clicking this link, ChatGPT optimizing language model for dialogue. So how the conversation will go, the same way you need to ask ChatGPT to collect your required information. So whenever you comfortable, you are having enough time, you just go through the samples and all these links. So I'll show you in the next lecture how to set up your free account. You need not to pay a single rupee or single dollar for this. Absolutely free to use. So try ChatGPT option we have to choose here, and creating these options will teach you in the next lecture. Thank you.